Hi, I'm Matthew, and today we're going to do another shave video. If you're new here, please look around at some of my other videos, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please put them below. Today we're going to be using a razor sent to me by the Shaving Disciple, and this is the, let me get my big hands out of the way. This is the Heritage Collections shaving company. It's hard for me to say that word. I want to say Heritage Shaving Collection and not Heritage Collection Shaving. But anyway, this is their take on the Gibbs razor, and it is a very nice razor. I did take it apart to do some cleaning on it, and I want to talk about something before I get too far into it. My allergies have been bothering me, so I put the old spectacles on instead of the contacts. If you've seen last week's video, I didn't have anything in. I can't see past my hands, so I just dropped a razor. Anyways, it's fine. But anyways, you know, I try not to edit my videos unless I really botch something up pretty bad. So on this razor, you know, there's been other razors out there that's based off of the Gibbs, and I would love to get my hands on a Gibbs. If you have one and you want to get rid of it, shoot me a message. I'll be happy to purchase that dude from you. So with all the different takes on this particular razor, like the Yaki, you know, they came out with their own variation, and it's similar. This one has a little bit longer handle, you know, and this isn't a comparison video, but there's definitely some differences. And then the Pearl Flexi, you know, it's based off of that. I would stay away from that razor. I got the first edition. It had some issues. I need to do a video with it. I've tried to buy another one of their razors from Pearl, and they won't sell me one, so I guess I'm out of luck. I also bought the Rex Ambassador. I had to let that one go. It just wasn't for me. But I'll just show you a quick disassembly of it. You know, you unscrew this bottom knob, and it comes out, and then you've got the top cap, which also has that stem that holds that in. Now, if you're don't take this apart unless you feel comfortable, just kind of a forewarning, but this part here is plastic, and so when you unscrew that, you're able to get to the part that I would say for Heritage, please fix this before you release it. This little adjustment knob comes off, and I've taken several razors apart, and the only reason why I kind of wanted to look at this is because with the Yaki razor, it had, or not the Yaki, but the Pearl had an issue with this blade tray alignment, and it would get off, but this one doesn't have that issue. And so I just kind of wanted to take a look. And so Shaving Disciple, let me know how many times you've used this razor before you sent it to me. You know, he loaned it to me, and then I get to pass it along to another wet shaver. And it's just kind of, you know, one of those nice pass around things. But this is the one thing that I'm wanting to say, Heritage, please fix this. If you take this apart, you can see immediately that, let's see, I don't really have a good something to point with. But anyway, if you look right here, you can see a little bit of rust buildup. And so on this blade tray, if you take it out, there's a little spring that holds all this stuff with tension. And so it's not a stainless steel razor. And so right away, if you can see that, it's already rusting just from, I can't say how many times it's been used, but I mean, I would say maybe he's had that for a month, and it's already doing that. So, you know, this stuff is around soap and water, so, you know, you're going to be constantly dunking it in the water. And so a stainless steel spring would be something to definitely look into. And it, you know, it goes back together with no problem. Like I said, this razor doesn't have the alignment issues, so good job on that. And that little plastic handle only goes on one way. You can't get it reversed. And of course, I'm going to use the Gillette Silver Blue blade. That's my go-to blade when it comes to trying new razors. It's the one I'm the most comfortable with, and I know how it performs. So we're going to just drop that dude in there. And I'm going to shave with, I'm going to go with setting 4. And this is kind of like how the Yaki does this part here. You have to hold this and kind of make sure that's all put into place, but we're going to go with 4, if you can see that. And just kind of dip that in the water and I'm going to wet the face. And I knew I was going to blabber for a while, so I went ahead and got the soap lathered up and ready to go. And I haven't even talked about that yet. So today I'm going to be using Shannons Soap Company, and this is Lady Luck. And I'm going to tell you right now, it definitely has the amber and vanilla, and I'm picking up some sand. I love it. Anyway, I'll put a scent description right there. And like always, I use a 1/4 teaspoon using the stainless steel bowl, my Omega Boar brush. And I may have this a little on the wet side, but since I'm not using a pre-shave, I'm just gonna go ahead and roll with it. And I'm already wearing it on my black shirt. Anyway, how was your guys' weekend? I had to work all week, and then it's kind of been raining off and on with some little thunder showers and stuff for the summer rain. And I was hoping a little bit more sunshine, and you know, like throughout the week when you're working and you're stuck there and you can't get away. I really wished it was like that, but it's not what I got. It's a good weekend though. All right, here we go. Let me just wet that one more time. I got 2 days worth of growth. You can hear the blade. Can't really feel it. Feels nice and smooth. I can already tell you right away that this is a winner for me. This is the first time I've used it. And, you know, I'm not real big on mild razors, so if I get an adjustable, I just kind of shoot for midways on the number scale or just a little over, just to see, you know, and then you can always adjust up or down from there. Shaving Disciple did say I could hold on to this for a little bit just to give it a try, and I may kind of go through a couple of settings that I don't know if I'll make another video on it before I send it out to the next guy or not. If you'd like to see it on different settings, comment below and let me know, and then I can do a couple quick videos throughout the week. I can tell that the handle is a little short for me. I've got really long hands, so it's not a bad thing. It's something that you can easily adapt to. It's just when you're used to holding something a little bit longer handle, it feels a little bit different, but like I said, it doesn't affect the performance of the razor. And this soap, I would like to try. I've only got 3 different scents of the Shannons Soaps. Another tongue twister. Spit it out, boy. But yeah, I'd like to try some of the other scents. Just not sure which one I want to try next. across the grain. I always want to say against. I was unfortunate and wasn't able to get this. This is kind of a trial for this razor. You know, they're doing the testing phases with manufacturing, so only a certain amount of people were able to get it, and I missed out on it. And I was kind of bummed, and I had seen the Shaving Disciple using it several times, and I was like, man, I wished I could get my hands on that. And he sent me a message, and we talked about it, and he's like, I'll send that to you just to try it out. But you know, with this, the current state that it's in, I mean, I would purchase it. So if they're going to make any adjustments to it before complete manufacturing, I would say that it's going to be awesome. I will definitely be trying to get a hold of one when they're available. See how this did. Very nice. Got my 2 passes done already. Woo. I got some cold water here that I'm going to do a rinse with. Clean up my shirt too. Oh man, that's like a Kevy Shaves. Wearing that stuff. All right, got the ice cube. Since we're doing Lady Luck, I figured I might as well pick up the old pink Lancaster black sheep towel. Is it fair to call this a black sheep towel, or should it be pink sheep? Either way, it's an awesome shave towel. And I do have the matching Lady Luck splash. And I don't know if you can see in there, it's one of those ones you might want to give her a little shake before you use it. Got a little restrictor there. Comes out nice. Oh, that smell is very nice. Might put a little bit back in there. Do the old elbow. And no shave is complete without some star jelly. Excellent shave. Rinse my hands here. And like always, I will put a little picture right there of all the stuff I've used today. Thank you for sticking with me and watching another shave. I do appreciate the new subscribers and the returning subscribers. If you have any suggestions for the upcoming videos, please let me know. I've been wanting to do it and I haven't done it, but I had said one time before I was going to talk about how to fix the issue without having to hold this and spin that. That'll probably come up this week. So stay tuned and have a good weekend, guys.